It's your girl, Denise Joy. Welcome to another episode of Transformation for Your Home. Whether it's DIY or professional help, you can make your home a destination you'll love. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Denise Joy, designer at the Furaha Method of Joyful Design. By the way, Furaha means joyful in Swahili. Real quick, please give this video a like and hit the subscribe button. It really helps with the algorithm. And when you get a chance, please share this video. I'd really appreciate it. In this video, I am bringing you a dramatic basement transformation. When this homeowner reached out to me, she swore her basement could not be helped. Y'all know I was here to prove her wrong, because I love to take what people think of as the worst room and turn it into the destination everyone loves. This is a basement family room, and this homeowner had several goals in mind for her transformation. Every designer loves a challenge, at least I know I do. So my challenge with this room was I had to keep the knotty pine, couldn't paint it. At first, I wasn't feeling it. But then after I sat with it, I said, you know what? I'm gonna make this a dognificent feature. But wait a minute, I'm jumping ahead. First thing first, I needed to determine what style did this homeowner want for this room. She'd been following me on YouTube for quite some time. She loved my Afro Boho aesthetic, but she didn't quite want to go all the way Afro Boho. So we ended up with the boho style with a nod to mid-century modern. After that, it was time to get to work. As you know, one of my main principles is to design a space the custom on a budget way. With that in mind, the homeowner wanted to repurpose her childhood dresser and vanity. And together, we brought that furniture back to life with paint and a little bit of elbow grease. Next up, paint color for these walls. The homeowner admitted that the paint color was horrible. In fact, she had picked that color herself, painted the walls herself just a few weeks earlier, and ended up hating it. But I fixed it, picked out a gorgeous new, fresh, vibrant color to wake up the whole room. This room had been well loved and well used for many years, which means the floor, that vinyl floor, was done. Because this was a basement, I selected a vinyl plank tile. Excellent in case there's some evaporation or water in the space, and wonderful on wear and tear. It's already looking way better, isn't it? Let me know in the comment section if you agree with me. I want to shout out the homeowner. She was committed to the success of her project. Look at this declutter before and after. Come on, somebody. My favorite day in the design process is load in and staging styling day. But so much happens before that day. There's meetings, there's creating the mood board, there's talking about the design decisions. So many things happen before that important day. This basement, it had a lot of jobs. Home office for the homeowner, homeschool zone for a teenager, a game zone and relaxation zone for the teen and their friends, a hangout spot and family game and TV watching. It had a lot of jobs. To give every job its own place in the room, I reimagined the entire layout. The only thing I couldn't move was the sofa, but everything else, it might as well have had wheels. Even though we repurposed some things, I did purchase a couple of new items, but that had the homeowner on edge. She thought the room would be more cramped with more furniture. I proved her wrong. Let's check out this basement radical transformation. I'm going to call this From Well-Loved and Dated to Boss Boho. Let me know in the comment section below if you're feeling that description. On top of the new flooring, we needed a new boho style rug and one that was the right size for the room. The tufted leather ottoman gives the room additional seating and that mid-century modern nod. The coffee table, which there was none before, is a great new addition. A space to play games or sit a drink if you're going downstairs and having a snack while you're watching TV. Now, this entire room has the quality and design that we call harmony. The colors, the texture, the pattern, everything is working well together and playing off of each other like a great symphony. When a room has harmony, it makes you want to stay in there longer. Which room in your home would you like some harmony? There are 2 critical layout changes that I made that really affect the functionality of this room. I moved the television so that it now sits directly across from the sofa. Now that activity is a much more pleasurable experience. The second decision was to move the teenagers' homeschooling zone. Before, it was just right in the middle of things. Now it's tucked away and it looks more befitting of a teenager. By the way, he loves it. Remember that knotty pine? I didn't forget it. I had to work with it. To weave that knotty pine into the room, I chose artwork that would complement the color tones in the wood. At the end of the day, this homeowner is over the moon, overjoyed about her improved layout, the functionality, and the vibe. What can I say? Another dope-nificent room makeover done the custom on a budget way. I'd love to know, what's your favorite part of this room? If you enjoy HGTV style shows, be sure to check out my show, DIY DUO Redesign, here on my channel. It's full of custom on a budget wow factor. The link to the show is in the description box below. Thank you so much for swinging by my channel. Why don't you go ahead and click a link and watch one of my videos right now? Hey, you might even binge watch a few. So I will see you in the next video.